Okay, so let's look at verb patterns and using them within sentences. So, some verbs go with gerunds or infinitives within the sentence. Remember that gerund is a word that ends in ing, and the infinitive is to play, to do, to write, to climb, to dress, to wear, to something, and a base verb. They describe wishes, plans, or feelings. 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 Wishes. Wishes. And plans. Things. So, let's have a look then at a sentence. Subject, they. Verb, arrange, arranged, A-R-R-A-N-G-E. So simply add the D to make it a past participle. With the infinitive, to play. Sentence, tennis. They arranged to play tennis. Very nice. It isn't they to play tennis. They arrange to play tennis. They arranged play tennis. It is they arranged to play tennis. Very specifically. They arranged to play tennis. They are going, verb, they are subject, to clean the house. To clean, sentence, the house. And that could be anything, that could be a plan. They are going to clean the house. They plan to wash the clothes. They, subject, they plan, verb, or planned even, planned, they plan to wash the clothes. Planned, N-N-E-D, let's have that. They decided, decide, D-E-C-I-D-E, add the D. They decided to, sort of feel, they decided to have a party. To have a party. She can't, so a negative here, can't manage, irregular verb, manage, we could say managed, not necessarily irregular, but manage. She can't manage to be without him. So she feels sad. She can't manage to be without him. She can't manage to be without him. Won't they fail to win the race? Question mark. Question mark. Won't they fail to win the race? So won't, negative, they won't they? Won't they fail to win? To win, infinitive. They fail, verb. Won't they, subject. Won't they fail? Fail to win the race. The race, the race. He refused, maybe even wishes, refused, ooh, refused. He refused to go to, he refused to go to France. He refused to go to France. He refused to surrender. He refused to surrender. He refused to surrender his position. He refused to surrender his position. Yeah. So we have subject with a verb, with the infinitive, to play, to clean, to wash, to have, to be, to win, to surrender, with a sentence, to something. He refused to surrender. He decided to have a party. They are going to clean the house. They arranged to play tennis. I decided to teach English. Very good. Very good. Very good. So again, some verbs go with both. Go with gerunds or infinitives, and they describe wishes, plans, feelings. Wishes, what you want to do. Plans, where you think you're going to go and what you're going to do. And feelings. Feelings. Okay. Let's keep going.